Let your daddy use his own. Sorry, my people, I love playing Benin music because English music, they will restrict you. All these Facebook laws and everything. Anytime you play English music, Benin music, they will leave you. You see? But when you play English music, they will leave you alone. They will restrict you. If you play Benin music, they will leave you alone. So now Benin music, now I play and more because of the people who don't understand Benin. I'm sorry. If I say, unless you have one sweet music from your country that you would like me to play, I can also play it. It gets some guys when I promote for some of them too. But this time, now old school. Oh, who is calling into my phone? Don't call inside though, please. How are you? how una dey? Thanks for joining me. I want to talk about may I use pidgin English for this video? It's a part of the video where I do remain this morning. Never finish. My people, somebody call me, say make I go bring money come out for you. Say ask me I can't show am. Now, the challenge is not finished. It's still on. Yes. I am in for the challenge, but not be to come show am money. Yes. She still needs to give us some more things. And these are the things we need before we really know who is the social media Cubana. Alright? Before we know who is the social media Cubana, these things must be proven. So these things now we want to talk about, so my people. We are going to gist it. This is how you catch people red-handed. When they try to brainwash you, when they try to tell you that they have what they don't have. How you can know true life. If you see true life, you recognize it, and if you see fake life, you will know it. Alright? Then the people who are really liars, please share the video. The people who are really liars, after this my analysis, you get to know them. The people who try to collect the life of other people. The people who try to present the image they don't have. The people who try and fight and use their strength and power to fight to inherit a validation that never belongs to them. The people who wants to brainwash you. I'm fine, Cordelia. How you doing? So this is it, my people. As you all know, I am Rita Mali, aka Iyodo Norewebo, Queen Rita, Madam Boss. My people, I have been many years in Europe. I'm very difficult to deceive. I'm not easy. You cannot easily play with me. You know why? Because the territory of Europe, I have gone very far. I have stayed in many countries in Europe. As a matter of fact, I've been in the white life. And as a matter of fact, I've been in the black life. And as a matter of fact, I've also been in Africa, South African lifestyle, living in Europe. And as a matter of fact, I'm living in one of the 7 Gs. The country who owns Europe. Yes. The country where owns Europe. And this woman who always parades herself to be whatever she is not on social media. A person who is looking for by force validation, recognition, respect that never ever, she will never end on social media. This is how you will know that she will never end that respect. After that analysis that I'm going to make now, you will know that she will never end this respect because she's forcefully trying to take what she don't even have or to claim what she don't have. My people, respect is deserved. Respect is earned. You don't strive and fight for it. You don't fight and be conquering as if you are Napoleon, who conquered many cities and many states in those days. You are not Napoleon. No one is Napoleon. So you don't fight to be given a respect or to be given accolade or the validation that you don't even have. You see? So when you do stuff like that with other people, you can't get away with it. But when you do it with Rita, I try to make it long so that we can really know and understand. This lady came to social media. She told social media that she has 30,000 euros cash inside the house in a country called Belgium, where everyone knows where Belgium is. Belgium is one of the 7 Gs. It belongs to one of the 7 Gs. And their laws also is very strict, but they allow prostitution 100%. Prostitution in Belgium is more allowed than in Germany. If you are in Belgium, you can prostitute all your life until you die. And if you die inside the show glass, it's not a problem. If you die inside the show glass, they will go and carry you and bury you. When you live in Belgium, yes, they will take you. That's why you see old women. So when you hear that old women are prostituting in Belgium, don't let it be surprising you. This is a country where they take prostitution like a normal job. They don't stand in the street. They have different kind of rooms. They have houses, inbuilt beds, inbuilt bedroom, inbuilt everything, and a supplied condom. Condom is supplied in every room. So you don't pay for the condoms. It is supplied. It is your right to have the condom, you know? Yeah. It is your right to have their condom. Condom is one of your benefits when you take a room there in Belgium. As a matter of fact, I've been talking with different ladies who work in these places since morning, because some of them are even following me. Some of them are following me. So watch this analysis. All right. So when a person who comes from, that's why you see Germany. If you want to do anything with Germany, Germany will tell you that which country are you coming from. You will say you are coming from Nigeria. Pakistan and Nigeria are the countries that have been blacklisted when it comes to documentation processes worldwide. Nigeria, Pakistan is blacklisted for some reasons. You know why? Because we can even buy the head of a human being. If you are bringing a document that is done in Nigeria into Germany, that documentation must pass through processes. You must prove it to the Germans that these documents are real by way of going to your embassy, by way of validating that document. After the validation of that document, before the Germans will tell you to say you are eligible. And after your eligibility, the next thing you will come across is a waiting time. You have to wait. Because why? You and your country, where you come from, is not trusted. It's one of the countries that has been blacklisted in the world. So, when it comes to prostitution in Europe, Belgium is giving a certificate of operation. You know, it's not an insult. A lot of ladies are there who work. A lot of ladies are there who even follow me. They do normal job. They do everything. But when they come out in the public to challenge people like us, there are processes we normally want to put them, to validate them, to verify them very well. Yeah. We verify them. All right? So, as a matter of fact, on this live video, me, Madam Boss, Iyodo was not into competition with anybody, and I will never be. You know why? I'm a salary earner. I have never lied to anyone to say I have thousands of euros inside my house. The video you saw this morning is a video that I used to analyze Mila Kim, the lady of truth in Italy. And this one, is my reply this night. I'm replying right now to the video a certain woman who is claiming, because her claims are not verified already. So we are in the process of verifying her claims. We want to make it her claim to be pure to the whole world, because she brought cash out to the whole world. And that cash, before she is being given the title that she is fighting for, that she doesn't even deserve on live video, before she gets that verification or that accolade, she needs to sit on this seat and prove herself very well. The reason why I, Rita Ayemiomo TV, I'm not into competition with this very lady who is always having the mindset of a competitive mindset. She's corrupt already with a competitive mindset because she fell into the space where illiteracy is so huge. And she is engulfed with this illiteracy. Illiteracy bought a part of her head already. And she is in the process of, I don't know where she's heading to. But I try to bring her brains, to normalize her brains. This is how we normalize brains. I want to normalize her brains this evening. We are going to engage this analysis together as human beings, as people. If you know you live in Germany, you are welcome to this analysis. And the line is open for you to call. And if you know you live in Belgium, you are welcome to this analysis. And the line is open for you to call in. If you know you live in Germany, no, Holland, UK, a country that is being referred to 7Gs. If you live among the 7Gs, go to your Google and type what is 7G. If your country belongs to the 7G, you are welcome to the high table. you can call and contribute. Please, if your country does not belong to the high table or does not belong to the 7G, you are not allowed to contribute. You are allowed to only listen because you will never understand what we are talking about. You are the people who doesn't belong to this seat. All right? We have a mindset. When you live in 7G, you have a mindset and your life is being set. There's a setup. There's a system that you follow. All right? So when it comes to Nigeria system, when it comes to Nigeria, we walk around with liquid. And everybody can come out to say, I have liquid, I have money. Your money cannot be proven and verified by anyone. But when you live in Belgium, and you want to tell me that knows that half of Belgium is a prostitution ground, and you want to engage with me in liquid financial competition, before I will allow that competition to take place, you must go through this verification. Yes. This lady come out on live video. She has been looking for attention for a very long time. She has been poking everyone. She wanted to bring herself out. She wanted to be noticed in public. She wanted social media to know her. She wanted the whole world to know her. She was craving and dying and melting for attention. She was wishing the whole world to know her. She wanted to be known. Even if the attention was not getting to her, it was very slow. The attention process in getting to her was slow. Her process was being slowed every day because of the amount of stupidity that she carried in her head. All right. So this lady saw some people talking about money on live video. She saw people talking about cash, and she got carried away. And she also wanted to prove to them that she is financially capable. She also wanted to prove to them, not me. Actually, she wasn't proving to me. She was proving to them, her counterparts, the people she had problems with, the people she believed. Because, you know, when you have something already in your pocket, when you have money already, our Benin people used to, I don't want to do this video in Benin because most people are complaining to say Benin, Benin, Benin. Our Benin people, they talk and say, all right? When Oswald don't put money for pockets, he get way where Oswald they behave. He want the whole world to notice it that the money is there. That's what we call Emoku Muele. We call them Emoku Muele. We call them Igoswono Kuhuye. In Benin language, you can ask people to translate for you if you don't know. We also call them a Mazwoko. A Mazwoko. That's what we call them. All right. So people, this uninformed lady, because she is very uninformed, according to me, and the knowledge I have in the Western world, she is uninformed. She has no knowledge of what she's talking about. She has a very little knowledge, you know. She got the opportunity to be working. She did work. She get paper. But she's very uninformed. She's one of the uninformed ladies on social media. One of them. All right. Somebody just placed it. The group of 7Gs, if you are to contribute. It's an intergovernmental organization that meets periodically to address international economic. Join this lesson. If you belong to 7G, even if you are not in the 7G, you are in Nigeria, you are in wherever, you are in Asia, you are in Dubai, you are in Eastern Bloc and Middle East, you are allowed to join this class, you know. That's why I normally tell you people, in every situation, don't get carried away. There's a lesson for you to learn. There must be a lesson. And if we push, we don't just push. Sometimes we push for a lesson to come out so that people will learn. Somebody like me, when I push for a lesson to come out. I collect lessons from every situation that come across me. If a situation doesn't affect me positively, I will never be Rita. All right? So I want to read the comment of Dunkwe. Block and meet. I want to read the comment of that person. That comment is very, very important. If a situation doesn't affect me, it's informatics. Oh, can you drop that comment again for me, please? That comment doesn't need to go. All right. Please, if you know you dropped that comment before, don't quit. Can you drop it again? I want to read it. Eh? All right. This uniformed lady, she has been living for some time in Belgium. Belgium accommodated her, even with her ignorance. All right, let me read it. The group of 7G is an intergovernmental organization that meets periodically to address international economic and monetary issues. What did we say? Monetary. International economics and monetary issues. Meaning 7Gs. Countries involved in 7Gs are US, meaning United States of America belong to the 7G. UK is inside. France is inside. Germany is inside. Italy is inside. Canada is inside. And Japan is inside. So you are allowed to contribute here only when you live in these countries, you know. US, UK, France, Germany, Italy, Canada, and Japan. These are the countries that hold the world. 7Gs. They meet sometimes periodically and they discuss economical issues that affect the whole world. And they put the whole world into settings. 7Gs. And unfortunately or fortunately, I, Rita, I have attained a very small education. I never said big. I never put myself to be big in any situation I find myself. Rita, fortunately, I live in one of the 7Gs, which is Germany. And I'm very difficult to brainwash. You don't brainwash people like us. People like us, before you brainwash us, I don't know where you'll be going to bring your brainwash from. Maybe you need to go to the Uranus, Pluto, Mercury. I don't know the planets you need to go and bring your brainwash from, because you are going to meet the people who know what they are doing. A lady wanted to be noticed, and she brought, thank you so much, Ivie Eboigbe, thank you, God bless you. And she brought a competition. She was trying to be noticed on live video. And she brought a competition to to Lolo One, which is that golden fish, on Facebook. She said, Lolo, if you get 7,000, me go bring 30,000 come out. Cash for my bank. Not touched. Liquid. With evidence. Provided. No mixture. And I will provide the name. She was specific in her words. Because of time, some of you followed me 2 days ago. I played her voice. Because of time, I don't want to play her voice again, except if the public wants it massively, you know. So if you don't want it massively, I will not play her voice again. She was very specific to say she will provide her name. She will provide the evidence of her name. And she will make the public to know how she got that money. I enter into that matter because there has been too much lies on this live video. A lot of lies. Confusing the new generation. The people who are just coming, fake life everywhere. Why are you looking for the life of another person? Can you prove yours? If you can prove your own life, then we are going to regard you as somebody. But if you cannot prove your own life, you need to remain silent. And she went further and she wanted to prove herself. And unfortunately, she met me. She met me. And she came to me. She wanted to enter into a competition with me. But with the kind of mindset that I have, Rita, I don't do competition with people. No. What I do with people, I discuss facts with people. I don't do competition. I believe I'm above the level of competition in my life. I've done competition years back. When I was still in the street, I did competition, you know. When you have money, you come and say, come see your own, my own big person. I did those things those days. But now I discuss facts. I put facts on ground and we discuss. So this is exactly what we are going to put on ground this evening. We'll be discussing facts. She wanted to engage me into competition. But I want to engage her into facts. Alright? So, ask me, Rita, how do I believe that this money belongs to this woman? How? A country where a person can walk and still drive their car to a prostitution house and park it and enter and walk and bring out a prostitute money and use it to feed. And she is being accused, this same lady, her own mother is being accused of prostitution for a very long time on live video. And she has never proven that to be wrong. Till now. The proof is not there. She's still fighting against the proof. She has not bringing the pay slip of the mother, where the mother does a normal job. Or for she to be doing live video one day and be playing around with the mother inside the house, let us see. But people are just saying that the mother is doing this job, which I don't have evidence to. But right now, with the evidence in my hand, I want to start believing these things until she proves herself to be, you know, she proves herself to say this thing is not true. You see? So, now we start our analysis. This is where we are going to start from. In a country where we live, you need to be doing illegal job. Illegal. Before you can harbor liquid inside your house. To have a liquid inside your house, a catch. To have it somewhere and be keeping it. That money needs to belong to the category of illegal. That money is being regarded as illegal. And when government sees that kind of money from you, it's either the money will go to feed the people who are in the streets, or the money goes to the people who you steal it from, which is the government. It goes back, it's a circle. It goes back to the place where it was taken, which is the government purse. So this is where all illegal money return back to. After they have been hijacked from the criminals, it go back. It go back to where it is taken from, which is the government purse. So how is this lady going to tell me that she wants to do a competition with somebody like me? I have never come out on live video one day to tell people that I'm too rich, that I have liquid inside my house. I've never done that. And I don't have any liquid inside my house. I've been a straightforward person right from day one. I am a salary earner. I work, I receive salary. And whatever is left for my salary, this is what I use to plan my life. That is why it takes me 12 good years, 11 years to build my mansion in Benin. Because it was strictly hard job. Nothing to do with prostitution, nothing to do with mago, strictly hard job, organized money. You see? So, this lady, according to her, she's too rich. After Cubana, she's the next one following. If she wants to rate all the children money that she has in Belgium, she said they will amount to 50,000 euros. These are her words. She said, but if she remove her children own, the money will be going to 30,000. She can provide it. Then she started fighting. And she was fighting. She fought everyone. She was looking for attention so that she can bring out the money and validate whatever she was seeking and hungry of, which is attention. She finally got that attention from the wrong place. When she got it, Lolo did not do the competition with her, but I told her to say, I want you to submit and prove it. I was asking of proof. But our Benin people say, not be everybody where they speak Benin even know Benin. I speak very good Benin, fluently. But unfortunately, it's a logo for a lot of people, a logo. That's what they call a logo. And even this English is a logo for a lot of people. My dear, I never said I want to compete with you. Because to start with, you are too small for me to compete with. I never even told you one day that I have the cash inside my house. No. I said, if you think that you have money, why don't you prove it? And you brought it out. And you see, I've never watched that video since yesterday. I just watched it. I was just doing the video I did this morning. I analyzed the video of Mila Akim. I've not watched her own. Then she brought the money. She was covering it. I didn't see anything. I didn't know what you people saw. Me, I never saw anything. The only thing I saw that she was just flashing 500 euro cash in front of the camera. That's what I saw. She come to flash 500 euro and some money for front of a camera. I never saw money. Just like she said in the paper to say, I want to give the name. You will see every evidence. She was very precise. I can go back to her video to play it now. And I remember there's a video she also did and say, you don't just test them live something in the live video without proofing it. That's what she said. She said, if you want to tell them something on live video, let me bring my book so that I can remember where she is. The place exactly. Specifically, she said that thing to say, you don't tell them anything on live video without proofing it. So that's exactly where we are now. Let me bring the book. That's exactly where we are now. So, what I am doing, I got the permission from her to do it. I got the permission from her to do it. Where she said, you don't say anything on live video without proofing it. So I'm guided by her words. I'm guided by her words. So let me go back to her video where she said, you don't say anything on live video without proofing it. Live video people will not take it from you. So she knew exactly, she was falling into the hot pot with me before she made that statement, or with whoever. I don't know. I normally take stuff like that serious because these are the corruptions we are facing now in this life. Exactly. I got the video. I got the video. So I want you to listen to her voice and hear where she said, you don't say anything without proofing it. So I'm guided by her words to proof her.
What about people not come out, come attack you like Tanga? Why tell them go, but they straighten your talk? As a
So according to her, she attacked Iyore and Iyore came out and straightened her talk. So me and my followers and fans, everyone on live video, we are asking her to straighten her talk and make it straight. I will give her the how she's supposed to do it.
As a queen mother you call yourself, immediately your member made mistake. Instead of calling 63,000 naira, you can't call euro. You are in the rightful position to correct her instantly. You are in the rightful position to correct her instantly. So let me play the voice for you guys to see. She sabi insult well. She thinks say social media na like before we be say people. Listen. She thinks say social media na like before we be say people they easily buy things like that. People don't buy things anymore like that.
Did you people hear that? She said the Iyore thought social media was like before, where people just buy things like that. This time around, people don't buy things like that anymore. So this is where I got the guidance from to prove her, because I'm not buying the cash that she showed me. Yeah. I am saying that money doesn't belong to her. With this evidence, after I have explained myself, then I will tell you people to say, this is how I know that this money doesn't belong to her. All right? Let me go back again.
As a queen mother you call yourself, immediately your member made mistake. Instead of calling 63,000 naira, you can't call euro. You are in the rightful position to correct her instantly. You are in the rightful position to correct her instantly. So let me play the voice for you guys to see.
So listen.
She sabi insult well. She thinks say social media na like before we be say people. She thinks say social media na like before we be say people they easily buy things like that. People don't buy things anymore like that. It is saying like before when you don't come and you don't talk something, people will all buy them. But no.
Thank you. So this is exactly where I got the permission from, because she was very intelligent. She knew that social media don't buy things like that anymore. She knew that when you say you have something, you need to really prove it to people. Especially when you made yourself vulnerable for competition. I never made myself vulnerable. But I was the judge. I was the sitting judge. I was the person judging her and the other person. But unfortunately, I cannot judge Iyore right now, because Iyore already proved herself. She said it's a prank. But she is continuing to say the money belongs to her. So the proofing continues. Until she do these things. She wants to engage me into bring your money. No. If you tell me to bring my money, you will be running after, you will be running too faster than your shadow. Okay, no. I told you to say you are living a fake life. You are condemning another person when you don't even have it. You said you have it and you brought out cash. And I am not telling you to say Belgium, Germany, France, all these countries, there is a rules and regulation. And this is a woman who parades herself as a worker. She is a cleaner in one of the shop in wherever. So I am saying that she is a prostitute. Whether she like it or not, she prostitute. If she say the money belongs to her, she prostitute. If she says she's not a prostitute, because even the area where she lives, the quarter where she lives, over there in Belgium, they have three nightstand. That is where they have there. I'm not accusing her to say, but I am saying, I'm not accusing. Until she prove herself not to be a prostitute, then she has to prove that money. How she got that money, how she saved it. We need more details. I will not buy that money until she gave details to live video people. Other people must use her to learn and really know how to save 30,000 euros in a very short period. She never said she has been saving that money for the past 20 years. No. She said she is working. So, Germany, where me there, so my people, if you want to prove to the government whatever you are passing through and doing and going, they will ask you for 6 months pay slips. Before, it was 3 months. You provide your 6 months, what they call a statement of account. So this lady is telling the whole world to say she's a worker, like me. I'm a worker. If you ask me to provide my statement of account, I will provide it. Even my social media money, you see it entering inside after they have taken their tax. And my own money from my job, you will see it entering inside. And the government will come and take their own from inside. Then, after that one, you will also see me going into my account, what they call withdraw and pay in. After my salary go in, every time I go into my account to withdraw my money and use it and buy whatever I want to buy, you will see the evidence of withdrawing and taking. Withdrawing and taking. It will be there. And this lady is having 6 children. She got 4 children, sorry. Her husband, is a family of 5 people. No, family of 6 people altogether. Family of 6 people. No matter the amount of mortgage that you are paying to the government, let's forget mortgage. The minimum amount of feeding this family, if you really want to live according to the standard of these countries, Germany, UK, France, wherever, according to the laid down standards, to tell the government that you are sufficient, you are feeding your children nicely. You are feeding your children in a good way. The only way you are supposed to prove it to the government is to provide all your incomes. Then whatever you want to do, they will do what they call plus and minus. So the minimum amount you are supposed to be withdrawing for feeding or your upkeep or your own personal allowance should be minimum of 1,000 euros from whatever salary that you are receiving. All right? Let's say your mortgage included and everything. Abi? All right. She came out to parade cash. So we are looking into that cash right now. I am saying that cash belongs to some ladies who pay prostitution money to her. And she is also using her own self to prostitute while living in a husband house. And people are accusing her husband of prostitution. And she wants to cajole us, the real people who work and earn salary and pay bills. She wants to cajole us into believing that she wants to rub shoulder with people on social media while she is still prostituting. For this reason, this lady needs to come out and prove herself. But when I asked her, she came out and she gave she was covering it. Her live video yesterday, I cannot show it here because of social media restriction. She was showing part of the something. I never see any name. There was no name. There is no verification that whatever she was showing belongs to her. It wasn't verified. So there is no competition grant, number one. Because it's not verified that it's for you to start with. Alright? And number two, also, she provided cash in her hand. There was no evidence of that money being withdrawn that night with the same name that is living in her own ID card for that same name to be inside the account. So I am daring this woman who wants to become a new generation Cubana. I am daring her the right way to make people believe you when you are talking. You need to provide more evidence about yourself. Because nobody was actually asking you for competition. You seek for competition yourself and you found it. And this is the competition right now. I never came out to seek for competition from you. I never came out to say I want to compete with you. There is no way I can actually compete with you because I don't put cash inside my house. When my money comes, I spend it. I use it to feed my children. I use it to pay my mortgage. I use it to pay my car insurance. I use it to pay everything. And whatever is remaining, the small one that is remaining, I just save it for the unfortunate which is not a heavy amount of money like that I can come out on live video to brag with, because I am living a normal life. All right. My husband is also having his own expenses. His children, his family are still living. He has his own things that he's also paying. Likewise me. All right. We go into the analysis. Continue. This lady says she get money, and for this money, her salary where she dey receive, we not see her. She needs to provide a statement of account of 6 months minimum to live video people. When she will provide a minimum 6 month statement of account, she go put am for live video. When she put am for live video, or if she dey fear, she go send am for me for my inbox with her own documents to really know that she is the person who own that account, and the money wey dey that account na her own. The way it take dey enter, I want to see her savings, because she talk to people on live video to say, na make it tell una say if una dey receive salary, una go dey pay house rent wey dey low, una go dey feed, and una go still dey save money. So we want a practical analysis of her own, how her own is being done. No, there is a big need for it, my brother. Before I can come out to say she's a Cubana or she really have the money, her own proofing must pass through this process. And the real like Bira, she go come bring 6 months pay slip or minimum, or a 6 months pay slip in here. Then I go allow. We'll look the way where money take the enter. We'll look the way where she take money, and we go look the money where it remain for her account, where she dey save, and how long when she saved that 30,000. Because what she's telling us on live video might be very different from what exactly is the truth. So there's no competition. No competition is going to happen. She has not finished proofing herself. 6 months pay slip must be on ground. No, a 6 month statement of account. And as a matter of fact, a pay slip, because she leave her house every day, she parade herself as a worker on live video, and she wanted to do a competition on live video with people. Nobody, somebody like me, I wasn't ready to enter into competition with anybody, but she was ready with her full chest. So now, you people should join me to ask her. We need her 6 months pay slip. She need to provide it. When she go provide and finish, we will come see the way money they enter her salary. Because when salary enter account, when salary enter her own account, we go see how much they come on for the salary go mortgage where she says she they pay. Because she says she's paying mortgage. So from her statement of account, it's really going to be proven whether she's really paying government mortgage or not. Or she just lied and paraded herself to be what she's not on live video. So her statement of account will prove her mortgage. Alright? And she said she bought a car on credit. We will also see whether it's that 30,000 euros she is really saying that she bought that car, whether not true. Then, because she's the one who have been she's the one who have been rating her life on live video. No other person. I never rate myself financially before to anyone. This lady has been constantly rating herself and calling her other live video presenter and other women. She has been calling them into a serious competition for a very long time. And she wanted the competition to hold. And before the competition hold, I am demanding this for her. We want to first of all prove her ways. Because she said to say, live video people will not take it from you. So me, Rita, I am disagreeing to that cash. I am saying, after you collected your salary, if ever you are working, you also have a place that you go and prostitute. This is the accusation on you. People are accusing your parents of your mother of prostituting. So your mother cannot prostitute and come and put it in Agolo. Or you go and prostitute and put it in Agolo, and you want to compare yourself with other people who work and receive salary and still own a house and hold properties and hold things. We don't believe in the same level. At least the levels and category must be given to us. We must know where you belong to say, you see this woman who live in Belgium, she really have the cash, but she belongs to this category. She is belonging to this level. And Rita is not having money, but Rita belongs to this level. Lolo does not have this money. Lolo belongs to this level. At least, this lady has been calling for these things for a very long time. She's the one who called for it, and every proof and every right of her really knowing whether it's true and it's lie must start from her. Because if you don't wear, amen. Financial competition started from her. So she wanted to prove herself to public and see whether it is true or not. So I am now asking her, 6 months pay slip, she will bring it and she will put it on live video. She doesn't hide it. Because she showed us a part of whatever we don't know on live video, whatever we don't believe on live video, and I am disagreeing 100% that that money doesn't belong to her. I am saying that that money is coming from a pussy printing machine, either from the mother or from her, or from a friend who wants to work somewhere and is giving her the money as a goddaughter to hold, and she wants to use that money to cajole people who live on live video. So I disagree totally, and I disagree 100%. So she has been parading herself as a worker. It's a time and now for you to really prove yourself as a worker. We need to see your statement of account, how your salary enters, how you withdraw your mortgage, how much you used to take to feed, how much you used to pay your house rent, how much you used to do shopping. We really want to know whether the 4 children you have are feeding well. Because according to live video, the way you have been behaving, you have been hiding your children. We don't know whether they are suffering from malnutrition. Somebody like me, I don't want to believe. But obviously, that is what is happening on live video. Your children might be sufferers of malnutrition, and you want to hide them from live video because you don't want people. Because obviously, from your look, you are also suffering from malnutrition. You are not a well-fed woman. From the way you are talking, you are not well-fed. Hello.
Hello, Sarita.
EJ, how you doing?
We take time. I do beg them to Wakana. He come to a mama na share. Ana rigo no man.
Wadame yo am yo to e kere no akwala.
Rigo no mataji.
O eso re Switzerland, ya rigo ne dash.
Kunya mare no ri dara daji. Gwe ba sa saki.
Okay, no to EJ. Wadame ho a competition na bu to. Aize na do mi to ye.
Jealousy. Ile to no je be lu wa be no do je yen me ti ba wa pa ne bo to na ro da o. E bo to na ro da no ri je ke gi na e so wa ga e we wa pe ne ja e o gi go ne de ta la ja.
After la dianje, area ya we we live in the first world. Germany weji. Uga mi salary we ne. Atike be nu ya ri wo la dian be nu ya ri yin go. Abeg e. Atike be nu be ya save. Ini go nu be save vivo. Abe beg e. Okay, Jay. All right. Why me una not hot? This time around we are talking facts. We are not talking zagazaga.
No, that lie you need to limit her.
He said the lie is too much. They need to limit it. So she has been hacking the lies of people.
See, don't come out now, they insult.
She has been hacking the lies of people, and I have decided to have her time to hack her own lies too. And I am into the discussion right now. Her lies, her truth need to be found. And I want to learn from her how to save 30,000. And before she teaches a person like me, who is also a teacher, how to save 30,000 in a very short period, she must do it practically. I am tired of theory. I have passed the class of the time of sitting and only hearing and hearing. Somebody must practicalize on me. So I want this lady to practicalize on me by providing her statement of account. Her statement of account for 6 months, minimum. 9 Germany take the proof person. If you want a document, they'll say go and bring your 6 month statement of account or your income, how you take your money, where your money comes from, how you receive your money. You must prove it. When you are proving it to the government, and the government will do what they call calculations on you, and they will know whether you deserve what you're looking for or you don't deserve it. Because you can't be looking for, you can't be receiving 800 euros and you want to come and go to the bank and say you want to buy a house. How? Government will put you down and they will first of all verify you. You want to buy a house that is costing 120 quadratmeter, and you are 5 people. They will weigh all your incomes. So I am challenging this lady into bringing to live video her pay slips. And when she brings her pay slips to live video, she will come and tell us, I, Rita, will see it. I'm not a baby in Europe. The way when money they come out, if she receive 1,300, how much she take the feed for inside? How much she take the chop inside? How much she take the pay bills inside? How much they go telephone? And her husband pay slip must also be proven. Because in Germany, when you want to tell people that you have money, when government see cash with you, they prove you to say you have cash. If I call the government on her right now, they are going to prove her through this process. Her pay slip will be given, and she will also provide her statement of account and the statement of account of her husband. And when they see that that money was really saved by her, the government will return the money to her, or the money go back to the state's account. All right? So I am daring this woman to say she don't get shishi. She don't have silly. That money doesn't belong to her. That is a strictly prostitution money. And you cannot expect a person like me who don't prostitute to come and do competition with you with prostitution money. If you want to do prostitution money, if you are agreeing to come out on live video to say it's strictly prostitution money, if you are agreeing so that this competition will stop, you need also to apologize for the inconveniences that you caused other people. You caused other people inconveniences. You told them that they are liars. You told them that they lie too much. And whereas you are found in the category of lies, your lies is heavier than their lies. And you don't want to make yourself available. This is how you make yourself available for a competition. If I dare you on live video and I tell you to say, who are you? If you think you have money, if you bring 5,000, I have 20,000 to go and bring, I'm daring you. And after daring you, you also have the right to come out and prove my source of income. Because I cannot be bringing out my salary when you be bringing out prostitution money. I cannot be bringing out my salary when you be bringing out a salary of cocaine and drugs. No. I can't be bringing out my salary when you be bringing out a salary of human trafficking. It's not done. That's not how they do it. So, your source of income must first be proven by live video people. So, you wanted to make the people on live video start respecting you and accolading you with a specific amount of respect that you don't deserve anytime, any day. And you will never get it. I, Rita, will make sure that that respect never comes to you. But you are going to do all these things that we have said and agreed. This is an agreement. You put yourself on this hot seat by yourself. Your invitation was given to you by yourself and by no one else. By no one else. You collected your invitation by yourself. I never invited you to any competition. Listen to yourself. This is the place where you invited yourself into this competition. And let me take your mind back. I was not in any seat of competition with you. I was not sitting in any seat of competition with you, never. But rather, you was shocking and looking for attention. You was busy poking people, inviting them to come for competition. And none of them called you to come and prove yourself. But I am the only person who have the guts. I got the balls that I am ready to prove you, to really see whether you belong to where you are trying to put yourself. Alright? We are in reality time now. On a we are going to be discussing facts. So listen to where she called for this competition. I never called for any competition. Hello? Hello? Down here. Okay. So, my people, we are still on the competition. I'm used to it. What you crack a voice me? I want you to turn on awful. Hello. Hello. No, I'm not distracted. This is my video. So let me go to the video I was watching.
He's not really telling you, he's using it to intimidate you.
Yeah.
Now because he get red passport, now they always talk about red passport every day. I tell him, Lolo, with all due respect, that day now your mouth to talk and will say, if anybody want to come and do saga with you, they need to get passports. You understand? Say this is your passport, this is...
Hello. Hello. Hello, good evening. I did that video. I put on for ear, not the speaker. Now, Bejo, you there, Abi? Thank you. Oh, okay. Now, bank money when they say me they repair house. Where's the better people don't fall in? Yeah. Yes. Okay, you gonna look any when you innovator one back imune. Oh, I don't know that the video we gonna save business in it. You get government. How we go ni over Germany video. Brava. I know that kind of money. You sabo adeba we my lady. Okay. I be ari bossy go ni government back every month, abi? No, over Germany video. Ya explain na my anje wesi. Okay, wahi. There ya no we be bejo ere speaker. Okay. Oh, why also do bravo. Esa bareke. Ko. O sabo adebawe. On you see any menario where you matter now because when meje. Who we matter we government ni meje. I agree me ko e ba ni menavent talent. Me. Yes. My sister oh. Government ka veri egbigo ni mene o na yari innovator wa. Yari boss e. Iyon lo ge government no. Yari innovator wa nde. Oh. Ijime my people. Oh, saloboa et la vidéo. Oh, répond BG, wa wese. Oh, saloboa. Ijime.
Oh. I said Monica.
Me now, come see cha.
Oh, saloboa, my people. Chai. Kate, why? Why? You don't know what brainwasher. When you might brainwasher with 7 years now. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Jay, how you dey?
How are you? Doctor.
Il est la vidéo. Le bejo we kebe ko abi.
Ah, okay. Okay. I'm a doctor.
Ije. Oh. Bata me jebe ina fike vera. Yodoba. Me na dey smell challenge my people. I never even went inside. Me make that one dive. Erita. Mo Erita de la video. Wa gume si le gbe anyhow. Baby no like when I go lo to tell I'm an investigator. So Katie, you go no the work in the government you were banking. Oh we do ha me we go no we save no. You go na ye no ma be banking na yari innovator wa. You get government, you got your back. No we reimburse every month. Oh we mula ta la video no de do show my go. Ijo saloboa me oh. Erita oh ina we team your toy. My people, person go just dey live video 24 hours they call for say. Since when they give am that money for bank? Now they call for challenge. Wanene mi ropa. Why go wanego? Wanene mi ropa. Why go wanego? And this is what exactly I've been saying since yesterday. You may total ye matter with Ketina ye barrow a pencil. I took barrow and pencil. Don't we have the yazola come la video me. Keti. Oh, when I tell them, where Iggy Jore, Igu Motagbona ya fe, Iga Jore Coco Yebo. Venana Yago Yamunu Wedo, they jeb, Idia Bejo, Igu Waketi do showcase in la video. Igu Wape Tassi in the government in Orient boss. I don't mind why we have to my when I cocky go away and we go anytime. Wow, all this hot to work, wow, my people. Hey, you have to work, wow, if he talk, say, this thing where this woman from Belgium talk so, if he talk, say, not lie, because the woman know, I say, me, I don't put her for speaker. He say, you know her. He said she talk, say, not be the money where they give her, make she tell innovators. He say, make she come prove her with statement of account. Or when go in, or when you're near, we get government, you know. He say, even she where they talk so, he said that money, her own money even there inside because she's a taxpayer in Belgium. Yatamuwa. Or where you got shawo? Sorry, Nina we got shawo no way, but he get bank in a bank or ye in no ya doluwaji. Hey, Salobwa. Ya believe that video one Salobwa. Hey, my people want me okay nelegbe. Una don't see la o. Okay, buwa ye kene my people were sorry. Ni de ba la video ni presenter ni bi wa na yin wa. Offense ni ma area nu wa ene khere my people. Eh, bomi sino yanko that's it. Are you not hearing this story? Ije. Eketi. And you were here, my people. So when I was ready to okay. E pa ki mari go ni me ya renovate wa ni me ya renovate wa e ban we me ya go la dia wo wa we na mi eketi. Iyo Salobwa le rame o. Eh, Salobwa la video. Erika, I even see and say some of una spirits not even carry that woman. Una not they take her serious. Even the people where they Belgium, they not they take her serious. See Anna, this is a Belgian woman. Who say retired down yo e si ko e kakaboy yon e. E gno na amigo ni la dia na so ma ya na wa so lo waga. Mana so wo wa. Hi Salobwa o ya gbele ma wa ne. Ya ye fake life ya dudu na when na Jesu me no be eze. When I be going to go when I did not talk ya. So when I do atie mani ke a fake life Keti. Why you they call that? I beg bloggers. What genere Keti when what genere be dokpa. Mama is one big pa. I might have like competition we kwa. On the Saturday. You not a mother for me na way. My love, you got buvu ye matter na you to mo irita. This is where I'm specialized. Because did you know since how long I've been inside the system of Europe? You just don't enter house, go bring cash, come out to say this is the money I've been saving. 30,000, 29,000, Keti. It must be banweje. Alara o, wata yanomo. Au yanomo wish you were utana. Au yanomo. Au yanomo ato we be fake life. Au yanomo ato we be fake life Keti. Imana. Au ya no mo ado egbe fake life isoken au ya no mo ado egbe fake life au ya no mo wa au ya no mo Keti wa ze au ya no mo pay slip is what I need. Then imagine you don't just put me into unnecessary competition. Go and bring pay slip. Wa wo okay no e government on ya go ni come and prove it with pay slip. Yes, don't prove a pay slip or a live video or no sick where the Belgium we go no we take government here and when we are renovate one. Or we going is truly 30,000. Or where you going here? Or where that money is 30. And my small innovation will away. Keti, so you gonna do wazane? Or when I tell you level on I don't like competition. Iya bomi sinonya do. If Europe women tell you say they break for that side. My sister la will go. Ya ki we don't know guys can die the regbe. E degbe ba. A straightforward woman like I am. Okonola j'avais la vidéo. Non, il y a 11 years de machin. Qui make a cocobiri no da for me. Mana bo. O mama fa autant. Hello. Okay, Oma. Ya ko nana. Ya ko nana je o ni wa on na wa pa mo ti we. O si e. Yeah, ko nana na understand. Yes. Oma, send the egg. Voilà. On a te voilà. Ikwa we borikoto egbe na wana fi obo. Already wa mam yoto e wa ewe. Organic nation. Go and bust your champagne somewhere. Or what am I not to prove it? Even no one no rebe Jonathan wo ga oge. I want to pay slip we prove it. Or we government ori enu 30,000 no ya dolo waji. Or we oge. You wa gele do wa big government we but a mortgage no. Just like me and every other person we to wa pay any government. Or where's the oge. Or we go ni. Or we tin ya enu enu ya renovate wa wu no e. Ndo na win na. We might soon renovate. Ah, my people. Wa beg no see no. My people, we don't even want me to start this matter from. I don't tire. You know why I'm with me a few problem is a low bois. Now so many the entire problem for some kind we may have the end of way. I be a wabe here. Now they try. Me on the trash for the fake life on the sea. So now this one I will see now run enter women life. Later we allow we want to beg a back working be one. Erotori banki. Yesterday when I was doing this video, I said, if you are working, bank is the only people that reimburse you. Now bank, they give person money. Bank. Yes, and that is true. You can't tell me you are not going to precision by salary now. You just gather around. And she said for under short period though, he said that she take gather around. Short period. Short period.
Because if you ask me to bring more out, I can, but I just want to bring them down. You be ready. If you not say you not get that cash to present to people, not still come. As if they use your driving license, say they gaga. Maybe you email gaga. If you say we should go up to 50, maybe before I carry the children, oh, carry this one, carry that one.
She said on her own she can provide 30. That's exactly what she was given by the government. 30 for what we call Wohnungsrenovierung in Germany. Renovation of house. Yeah, everyone is entitled to it when you are working. It's not a big deal. I can go to the bank and say, give me this money. I want to renovate my house. I want to buy a car. I want to do something. If not buying, even if it's a rented apartment, as long as you are working, know your rights in Europe. You can walk into the bank and ask for a loan to renovate your house and make your house a small heaven and make it a very beautiful place and be paying mortgage and be reimbursing it to the government. Government will calculate you with your pay slips. They are going to calculate you. Hello.
Hello, Marita.
Yes.
Hello.
How are you?
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Yeah, I just want to put something about your topic. Like yesterday, I don't really watch case because I don't really do the wash house, but I don't really know what to do. That's for that one. But ma, I want to say something. Please, they have to not be angry about this because you see this matter of waiting can break also is a very serious issue. You understand? Because we may see maybe they do saga with them, but some may see a saga. But show this waiting is start. So that's why I say this happens for social media. They won't become competition. You understand?
Yes.
But you know they are whether I do competition or you don't do competition. But you know what I want to talk now. Now that call I went for waiting to come out for last week. See, Mama, it's not come out. See, if you want to really be honest, if you want to really know that kid is loud, you come through. Like before you call for live video, so say this has to be like this. You should not be afraid. You should know what this is. This is like free word for you. I know it's kind of say if you talk around the woman will know. If you know if you talk and the woman will know, why don't you say it? You know, you get my point now. Say it so that if someone say no.
I know the year you call out. I know the year. I know the year we see the talk. I'm not the hear what you talk. Maybe you need to call back. I'm not hearing you. Sometimes if you call live video, it's good to also use pidgin English. Or you just use Benin if you speak Benin. 80% of people who are here now Benin. I do anya me beze bogbe me so do ye no difficult. We to bo we yen ke no we ye we. O do alo. Yes, alo boy. Filme Bokbogri has bust everywhere. Itai. Where? Hello.
Hello, sorry, I'm here with Mocha Copa.
Imo ayo. Get one. Get na rush Okay, you understand. Okay. All right. You get it in. Okay. Ijo saloboa. You see, when you borrow money from the bank, it's your money. Somehow, it's your own. When you apply for a loan, that's a loan application. It's your right because you are working. You apply for it. But you are not the person who saved that money. That is what they call government money. My own money. If you was in Germany, it's a part of my money is inside. If you was in people who are in Belgium now, like a girlfriend of mine who lives in Belgium, she's married in Belgium. Her money is inside that money you showed yesterday, because she's a worker. She paid taxes to the government. Their money is being put to the bank, and the government take the money from the bank and they give it to you to do a particular project, and you return it to the bank on pay interest rate. Interest rate. So every money that you return to the bank on interest rate, until you finish that money, you don't have the right to claim ownership to that money. It's not your own. That's not the kind of money you are supposed to use to make competition with people on live video. This is where fake life starts from. And you was busy involving everyone on live video. I believe the day they gave her that money, that is the day she started jumping up and down. If you know you want to do this with me, if you know you want to do that with me, she was even calling people on competition. I was wondering to say, what exactly is wrong with this lady? She's not behaving normal. There is a sign of a big amount of abnormality that is inside this woman right now. She's being parading herself as the richest woman on live video, that everybody is faking it. Everybody is faking it. Me, I'm not even seeing the people who is faking it financially, because I work. The only money I own is the money I sweated for, my salary, and the one I'm getting from live video. Yes, and my rent that come from Benin, because this is my investment. That's the only thing I have. And this money, you cannot even cash it. Money where they come from my house for Nigeria. You know, if you cash it, you go on the ground like that. No. 1 million naira now they finish for inside market since. Before I saw how many guys don't finish. If I really want to so close, 1 million naira where the whole apartment go pay me a year. Every year. If I want to use and sew clothes. How many clothes? If I was just use and sew correct gowns, correct style, it be level. Which kind of thing be all this one for live video? When they put people where they Europe? Why are you suppressing people into unnecessary pressure for no reason? So, Kate, your challenge is not well done. There's a mistake in your challenge. You mistaked your challenge. Alright? You drew a competition for yourself that you have not completed. It's not complete.
Say, if you know, say one account, not be say you borrow one, not be say anything.
Not be say you
it's
borrow
not borrow, it's nothing. If you know, say you not get 30k euros inside, say me you show public. Then if me want to reply you, me go still show public my own. Not just do saga with me. You use your passport to do something now. Me not fit use passport or me get. use license. Me no fit use license because me get. Now wetin me go still fit use, na me dey use now. Otherwise, remain silent o. Iya we odafin araji go nya. Oyo go iraju go nya. Oh, I will lock you up in prison. You will get when my gbele gbo awa. Oh, be your piala dia. Where shall you go where anya? Me na be your order for me anya. Simple. Odafin araji go nya.
So she's labeling herself to be Odafin in Europe, and there's no Odafin in Europe. All of you know Western world the way it is. Odafin rewebo. I mean Odafin rewebo. Everybody is equal. When it comes to Europe, they have a standard. And the standard is that you need to be comfortable. And even if you have a company in Europe, this is how it works. When you have a company... Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Somebody don't explain what you talk to me, I don't hear.
Yeah, me want to be like this record when they play now, when they ask lot of accommodation. I've been never heard this one before. But it's not big trouble. But it's not big trouble when she find Lolo. Was it true that Lolo was the one that said that passport? Lolo always repeated what somebody said, like she concurred to that person. Oh, like it wasn't Lolo that came out to competition. It was lovely. And Lolo heard the video. Lolo said, since this one is not so good, because all this much trouble I say they don't know what to be like for Europe, just coming out to start insulting people. But Lolo was not referred to cake. When the cake came out, just because I don't know if true they give her the money from the bank. This is okay. Now people don't like some true because of it is a time trouble. But why would she even call her Lolo for this problem? It wasn't Lolo that said that if you only have passport, don't come and talk to me. Lolo always concur to what somebody else says. Is it a crime to like, okay, support? You don't see lovely when it's talking about and Lolo.
Somebody. Thank you. Call her. Yes. Oh, everyone already funny, yeah. I have disgrace in your fair. Every no CSA, I have disgrace in your fair. All this shame and disgrace, now no matter draw rich here now.
She didn't have passport. And she didn't call you. You say a lot of you don't know what to call it. That always come out to it. She didn't even mean it. After saying that, those other people have passport. Don't know about because but then also like just
call her, listen.
Okay, look at the Euro now. Every normal human being know that was a mistake on that corner. Every normal human being we know that was a mistake for that corner. Every normal human being. I love Euro for what he did that day because he knew people like Kate on social media that want to hang their necks on another person's way.
Why will you want to be? Why do you want to be bringing the reputation of people down, Kate?
You don't have to concur because people.
What's here?
Kate, see yourself, Kate. Change and really change. This character is not good for you. It's not good. Change. Just justify because Lolo did not call you when he said that. Lolo did not say, Kate, you don't have power. Don't. If you want to say something like you didn't. So that if anybody will not get it, I don't come and talk to me any longer. We don't want to call us because Lolo didn't call any names by the way. Even Lolo that said he didn't call any names. But why will you see? Be careful, Kate. You can't no matter care what you keep. Don't be careful. I'm telling you just.
Lolo, where your head is good, my sister. Where's the fire your igbe? Where's the fire your igbe?
Just look at the way you just everybody is so obvious. This time you start choking this lady for a very long time until that became black on your wedding day and everybody was crying for you. You know why that you see why one thing that you people don't know that the more you beat Lord, the more people
wait, my sister, let me analyze further. Just hold on, let me analyze further. God bless you. Kate wanted to borrow money from the bank. She was having an intention, a plan of borrowing money from the bank. And she was rushing to marry her husband in the court so that the pay slips will be enough to provide to the government. When you are living alone as a single woman, there is an amount that you cannot borrow from the government because your pay slips and even the money you receive from the children is definitely not going to be enough to give you the amount of money you need to root out from the bank. You cannot bring it out. This one is a fact. That is why I say, this video we are going to be discussing fact. And not yogo, nay. I am bigger than yogo. I discuss fact. When you want to borrow money, That is why I call people who are living in Western world, Europe. If you want to borrow money from the bank, here, you want to buy a house, you want to renovate a house, you want to buy a car, these are the reasons why you are to borrow money from the bank. You don't borrow money to do enjoyment. You borrow money to finance a particular cause that the government can hold access to tomorrow and take it from you when you are unable to refund that money. So, by the time you are a single woman, you are not married documentally, and you have the intention of borrowing money from the bank. Sometimes the bank will disagree. It depends on countries. Sometimes the bank disagrees if you people are not legal partners. What they call legal partners living together. Legal. Bind together with marriage certificate. When marriage certificate binds the both of you together, it gives you more access to doing stuff like this. If your husband is working and you are working, your pay slip is more powerful. What you receive is more powerful. The government can believe more in you as a family. They calculate all of you together. The amount of money that you receive. When they calculate you together, then they will take that thing into calculation into the bank. Automatic system calculation. We do the calculation from the bank. When this system do the calculation from the bank, then they will tell you what you are entitled to. If it's only your money, the government will say, no, you are receiving so amount, you are entitled to collect only 6,000, 7,000. Because before she borrowed this 30,000, she was already owning a credit in the bank. And that credit she was owning in the bank is already a credit already. You can't borrow credit on top of credit unless you prove a higher source of income. I don't know whether you people are getting me. Except you prove a higher source of income. Only when you prove a higher source of income, the white people will allow you to take money, credit on top of credit. You don't collect credit on top of credit. You have to make your credit life to be beautiful before you can collect a certain amount of money from the bank when you are working. Alright? So Kate, obviously, was already having credit in the bank, and she said it on live video that she bought her car on credit, 30,000 euros, and she's still paying. Meaning, she's owing her house to the government in Belgium. She's still mortgaging her house. The one where she, according to her, where she says she gets, is not yet proven. I'm using her words. Alright? Then she proved with her mouth also to say she's paying mortgage also on the car. She's paying on the car. And it's not also finished paying with the words of her mouth. Meaning, she's owing the government, she's on a very higher, bigger credit rate in this Europe. So, Kate cannot be regarded as a person who has money. Kate is living on government credit, just like every other person. This is one thing I want to make you, my fans, see. She's living on government credit. You see? She's living on government money because when she receives her money, certain amount will go to the car, certain amount will go to the house. Sister, wait, I'll call you back, no worry. Certain amount goes to the car, certain amounts goes to the house, and she do her feeding. And when she does her feeding, she go the ordinary ground. She keep money for fuel and for feeding. So, she wanted to renovate her house so that she can have a place to be doing a very beautiful live video. Everyone is laughing at her to say, your kitchen is looking too rubbish. Everyone is laughing at her to say, your shares are, they are too local. Your shares are not beautiful. Everyone is laughing at her to say, your kitchen is looking too unkept. And she wanted to make this thing look beautiful. And the government was no longer allowing her to take money because of the level of credit she is already inside the bank. And they were now asking for a supporting pay slips. You see a place like Germany. If you want to have a supporting pay slip to be strong, for the government to listen to you, they ask you to bring what they call marriage certificate. A certificate that binds the both of you together. Alright? So Kate, that was what Kate was looking for. She was pursuing this goal. And when she was pursuing this goal, she brought up an idea of marrying her husband in Belgium. so that they can have a certificate that will allow them to strike the bank again and be able to root a certain amount of money out of the bank. All right? That is the marriage that was done in July. And when you are applying for a bank loan in Germany, from July, August, September, and we are now entering into October, which is 3 months, the government needs to approve you for 3 months before the money can be released to you. All right? They need to approve you for an amount of months. 1 month, 2 months, before money will be released to you. Kate and the husband, they went through this analysis. If she denies it, I am daring Kate to provide a statement of account. And if she provides a statement of account, I personally, Rita, am going to stroke out this analysis out of her payslips. Kate, stop deceiving people on live video who are vulnerable. Iyore is not even the one deceiving people. Your deception starts from you and it ends with you. That is why Kate went for marriage. Normal people who lives in Europe, when it has nothing to do with credit, marrying certificate it doesn't stroke you like that. Because if you go into a marriage certificate with person and have a marital certificate, if you're a woman, and if the man misbehave tomorrow, there is every possibility of the government hanging you on top of the man. And when they hang your life on top of the man, you suffer financially. You cannot collect what they call social. You are not entitled to some social benefits because you are a woman who is married. But some people, you know, Kate was marrying a white man before, you know. So we don't know that area of the life of Kate. We don't know what's happening there. We don't know what's happening there. There are reasons why the man also agreed to go to court, because this is exactly where men normally don't agree to go in Europe, except when they have a very big property benefits that they are going to take. Then they will agree to go and do what they call paper marriage with you in Europe. It said that you agree to them to say, you will be giving them this money. These are European men. This is how they behave, and all of you knows it. I don't want to go into document marriage. I want to do only traditional marriage for reasons best known to me. All right? So, people who goes into it, especially men who have greedy intentions, when they see that a woman is she's having some stuff that are allocated to her name. Maybe the house, people will say, this house is in her name. I don't know whether people are following this analysis. Are you following? I told her yesterday when I was at work, I said, Kate, if I put your life on a scale, I'm going to analyze you. I'm going to bring out your balls. I'm going to bring out your intestine. You don't play with me in this area. I'm going to bring you out from your shade, and I will show you to the world just the way you are. You don't play around with me with things like that. If you're doing fake life with another person, make sure you know what you're doing. But if you want to do it with me, I will expose you to the world. All right? I will expose you. So, the husband of Kate have greedy intentions. I don't know whether you people are following. He has greedy intentions with Kate. And his intentions have to do with property. Because Kate was already entering into the Belgian system to withdraw credits out of the bank, to take out credit from the bank. And the name of that man, the Hausa man, cannot enter those things. If Kate didn't tell the man, say, marry me, or the man will say, I will marry you, like, I will give you that marriage that you want. Only when you succumb to these things, when we go and do a paper marriage. So this paper marriage, this certificate, they brought out, they go and showcase it to the government. And the government allowed them to have access to what they call credit on a higher base. Credit on top of credit. Why? Because both of you are not legal, you are not legally married, and your income is bigger than what it used to be. Then the government can give them what they call a renovation money. The quest to become a very big woman. The quest of providing a beautiful kitchen. The quest of having a beautiful parlor to do live video. The quest of having furnitures like this. Are you getting me? Are you people following? This is exactly where this disgrace is coming from. I don't know if you see where this disgrace is coming from. This disgrace is coming from this angle. From the angle of public pleasing the world and displeasing herself. Lying to herself in trying to deceive the people. Whereas people like us, Rita, these are the things that provoke us to stupor. We don't like it. This is a direct provocation on my person. You don't provoke me like this. You understand? Provoke me with every other thing. But when it comes to stuff like this that has to do with the government rules and regulations in Europe, don't go there. If you provoke me with it, I will disgrace you. Yes. If you provoke me with it, I will disgrace you. So, Kate gave me a direct provocation by daring me to enter my house and go and bring cash for her. Which I don't live my life on liquid. I also live my life on credit like Kate. This is how I live my life. Just like Kate. And Kate was trying to hide her other side to put it out of the world. And she was trying to present herself to the world the way she is now. On a regular basis, we are all the same in Europe. No one is richer than every other one. But I become better than you the way I use my money. If I use my money coherently, if I use my money in a way that is a little bit more better than you, I become better than you. Not that financially I am richer than you. No. Are you people getting me? This is it. Not that financially I can become, I'm bigger than you. No. Not at all. But if I deprive myself of the things I'm supposed to get, like when I presented my house to you people on live video, I told you people to say, I deprived myself of the things I'm supposed to have. I deprived my children of some beautiful things to be able to achieve these things. This is how every normal person lives in Europe. Before you can be able to get some particular things, there are things you deprive yourself of. This one is a normal life. These are people who are still living normally. This is a person who is still having a life that can be seen to say, this one is a life. But on the other side, that is called fake life. When they want to deceive and manipulate you, they try to make you believe that we are not equal, that we are not the same, that their life is better than yours. Never. All right? So this is what I want to put to your notice today, my people. So the challenge is still on ground. Kate has been exposed. She was given a credit, 30,000 euro credit by the bank to furnish her house so that you can see a beautiful kitchen in 1 month's time, and she will come and tell you to say, this is what I did. So that you can see a beautiful bathroom tomorrow. I've seen her bathroom. The bathroom of Kate cannot be compared to my own. Everything that I have in Europe was done on credit, and I am reimbursing to the bank because I am a worker and I have access to those things. This is how I got them. I don't do prostitution. I work, my husband work. If our money is not enough, I check it to the bank, I bring that money, I use it, I pay back. This is how I live my life. But if a woman like me is trying to cajole me into believing that she's not doing it anything illegal and she's having cash inside her house, I become radical for Jesus. All right? So, Una, when they call for that video yesterday, where they say, congratulations, you were a big woman, you were a fool. You are a compound fool. You have been fooled by a foolish woman. You are a fool. A compound one as that matter. So when you listen to this video, you see the amount of your foolishness. And you will know that I am not equal with you. All right? We live in Europe together, but there is a difference between me and you. I can be doing saga with you on a daily basis, but that doesn't mean that when it comes to here, we are the same. Don't look at me and say, I do saga, I like trouble. For that reason, I don't know what I'm doing. No, I am doing trouble. I love doing trouble. When trouble comes to my table, and when the person has pressed my title before, and I decide to feast them, I go for them and feast them. And when I'm feasting them, I don't look back. I feast them, I put them in the right position before I leave them. That's how I normally do them. So if you don't know what I represent on social media, and you want to bring your ignorance, you want to use your ignorance to come and counter me, I get angry. You provoke the devil in me. You provoke the devil in me. So, live video people, a woman has accused Kate. It's an accusation until it's proven true. To say, Kate collected money from the bank and she is an insider. She wants to do a renovation. Obviously, she wants me to see it. She wants you to see it. And in the nearest 1 month, 2 months, don't be surprised to see beautiful things in the house of Kate that you have not seen before. You might be seeing a new chair. You might be seeing a new kitchen. You might be seeing a new wardrobe. You might be seeing things that you have not seen before. She might be making replacement and settings in her home. After taking your money that you were paying taxes to the government for. After taking that money, she decided to also come and abuse you on top of it. To tell you that that money belongs to her. That is a direct insult. And another provocation. The reason why Kate must provide that payslip. Alright? The reason why you don't joke with people's intelligence, not somebody like me. I hate embarrassment. You embarrasses me to be on this level with you by lying to me. By trying to make the whole world believe what you are not. Don't do that next time. Alright? Let me boil my tea, my people. So, yesterday, this morning, I was analyzing Mila Akin video. I told her to say, I have not come for you. I will come to reply you, but not now. I was just analyzing the video, but you will see my reply. Alright? So, people, this is the new challenge on ground. Kate has been accused of flashing government money on her. And she's making people believe that they don't know how to save 30,000 euros. She's the only one who knows how to save it. And people on live video, we want Kate to bring her statement of account. I want to go through it. Until the statement of account of Kate is bring, Kate has nothing to say on live video.
Carry your name. It go be your. Oh, sorry.
She was actually daring Lolo into this financial competition in name because she knew that that money comes out from the bank and is having her name. You cannot gather 30,000 euro in Europe and go and pay it into the bank when it's not coming out from the bank. Hello, I'm on live video.
Mama, good evening.
I'm on live video.
You don't I see you. You don't explain as if the apple gone for Europe.
God bless you.
Now I beg I be want to talk once. With your kind of commenters.
Yes.
This morning where everybody will talk. So how much they say they don't use to help somebody say I bet take it or help for Nigeria. How many people they don't use that help? Not be say I get money now
No.
richness.
No, wait.
You get money, you cannot help the poor.
Sari, my sister, she don't have money.
You
She
cannot help the poor.
So I wish,
richness.
and I hope people have gotten their answers since yesterday to say, why is she not helping her friend who is busy begging around on live video?
Okay now. Not be to help family members. Not be to help family members. People, there are people we need to help. As we they say we get money, we get money. Okay, for example, Lolo now, we say Lolo get your own side though. But Lolo they see people when they help for a platform.
Lolo they talk true. Lolo they talk true, my sister. There is true in Lolo's mouth, please. There is truth. Lolo has been saying it that her money belongs to her and she's eating it. No, she has never said she has a property that she don't have.
There was one program I watched inside 3 months. Lolo talk I said one woman they donate every month 20,000 to somebody where they shoot for face. It's for 1 year.
Okay.
That time how many states don't do? Another one again, now she still do 4 days ago now. If they help somebody where they need, how many don't say the money do? Now
listen,
they intimidate people for social media.
Listen.
Everybody reach for a back pocket for Europe.
That money.
They still reach back to each other.
I talked one thing yesterday to when I say, you want my baby. Oh my baby. Bank money. You go no. You know my so if she's not giving that money to her friend.
Yeah, calm down small, yeah. Still drink water, calm down.
Yes. If she not they use that money to help people, now because of say not be her own, she need to pay it back. She can obviously not use it to help. I hope you understand.
They not say come out, I can't talk who you help. They not say come, but at least when they say you use your platform, teach them help people. When you get people where they say yes, if I don't know the whole Nigeria, they get some people where you go say, this is my platform. I see you and say help social person. I see you and help social person. Okay.
Except doing irrational competition.
She puts the money for
shame on you. Shame on you.
Because for this abroad, to bring money come outside, say and no, you not put them for bank. It's inside your house. If government even still cash you, now another big problem.
That's why I need tell you to say.
Less than 1,000 in your house.
When I saw that money yesterday, I was at work. I knew exactly what that money is. I also know that if that money.
I know one would say herself, but now I don't hear say you be talking. So
thank you.
Make she find way. Make she know they intimidate people again. I get this, I get that, I get that. Is this? No. All of us in Europe with the struggle for ourselves. Nobody way no girls. We not everything for Europe. What would they buy? Now buy and pay later. Now what they do? So when they say that they intimidate anybody, if you get paper, you they work. You can buy anything buyable.
Thank you.
Not more.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you, my sister.
Bye.
So, Kate, after all this analysis, prove me wrong. It's another challenge. Prove me wrong. Come and disgrace me to the whole world that I'm lying with your pay slip. No other thing. Your words of mouth is not powerful enough to prove me wrong. No. You cannot tell me to go and bring money and come and do challenge with you. Obviously, I will not do. I've not borrowed money for now. I've borrowed before. I've used it. But for now, I don't have any money that I have in hand borrowed to come and show the people. And I will not also do that. I'm a learned woman. Alright? I'm a school many do ya azu of live video. I'm a learned woman. I will obviously not come and be showing people liquid for them to entice them into competition. No. If you see me showing money, he said that I'll be spraying the money on myself because I've suffered a lot. That I always say. Alright, I've suffered too much. My body deserves to receive financial money. At least, if some people even see the suffer where I suffer, so I not pay my dime. But maybe not say that you go under normal circumstances. So you can obviously not, you can't engage a person like me. It's impossible. You cannot engage me. I'll beat you hands down. Yes. Because I know what I'm doing. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. I want to contribute.
Yes.
Say something.
Say it.
There's one thing you people don't understand. That money she's showing you guys, I don't think it's real money.
It's real money. That money is real money. Let me tell you, yes. And that money is real money. That money na money where they don't go change to 500 euro or it came out from the bank like that. If bank want to give you heavy amount of money, that 500 euro the money for inside. It depends on the denomination you ask for. You also have the right to ask for denomination. I want 500 denomination. I want 200 denomination. I want 100 euro denomination. We are living here in the Western world now.
So that means she went to borrow the money and so she said.
That is what they are saying now. That's what the caller from Belgium said, that money was given to her for a house renovation. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, my sister.
You are welcome. Hello?
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 Yes. How are you, my love?
I'm fine, ma. I was that lady that called before when I was trying to explain to you, so your phone went off.
Yeah. I did live video.
I saw, oh, okay, no problem.
I'm on live. Okay, we'll talk about it later. So now, live video presenters, followers and commenters, you now know who the real brainwashers are. Eketi told my live video, and the live video more wabo. So she's supposed to prove herself because you lied to the whole world. And you make people vulnerable to your lies. You have affected the life of some people negatively since yesterday. And you accuse the jury of affecting people's life negatively. And I came out to also come after you like a FBI. Because I know that if you are not guilty, you will not be coming after a person. It's impossible. It's only guilty conscience that knows exactly what another person that is also like them is doing. So that is exactly what gives me the effrontery to jump into your life. Because I know that you are guilty. Because before you are pursuing a person like this on a daily basis of fake life, there's something that is definitely wrong with your own life that is not normal. And I got to find out at the end of this, everything, to know that you have been lying to people to say, now so you go, now so they give you money, now so you get money when you gather. Kate, how you take gather? I want to see how you gather that 30,000. You must provide it. Even if you will meet the challenge that you are looking for, please, there is every right for you to, at this junction, to provide to social media how you save that money. And if that accusation is a lie, you talk and you can't show and say, see 29,000 for your account. You show her yesterday for live video. You say, see 29,000, may I cover the name? You can't cover the name. You say, but see 29. This is what you were showing. I saw the 29,000 written on green. When I took a screenshot of what he was showing, I saw 29,000. But if that 29,000 is not coming from the bank, and you are a worker, you don't pay that kind of money into the bank. For what reason? The only money that you can have like that in your bank is the money that is coming from the bank. Every other money that you save inside your house, 1 naira, 29,000, you don't take it to the bank, especially when you are owning a credit and a car that you are paying. You said on live video that you have a credit that you are paying in the bank, which is you are owing the bank for your car. So, if you work your money and gather it inside your house, Kate, I prove it to you with all evidence around and around to say that money is not the money you save. It's either that money is coming from the bank that you borrowed, or you went to pay that money that very day. So that is why you need to prove it. If that lady who called from Belgium is accusing you wrongly, I think you want the competition. You want to prove your life that you are Cubana on live video. You met the wrong person. Alright? You met the wrong person to do that with. So my people, I will stop here until Kate provides a better evidence concerning that 30,000 euros. Let's wait for her to come and give us where she got that money from. Is that money coming from the bank credit? Then it's not your own. You don't need to compete with it. That is the money you are going to pay back on interest. You pay it back on interest. Thank you everyone for joining this video. So listen, listen to what brought about this competition. What brought about all this analysis? Her voice. She called for this challenge.
So that we are asking a cultivo door, ye a cultivate. You see that kind of person. He go dey problem. He go want me everybody way near a day problem. Because he and Monica friendship no work. After 10 years, he no work. He come dey find one way or the other. When he go still take destroy the 20 years friendship. When me and my sister there. Una see as Lolo mentality take dey. If something not work for him, he not go gree make that thing work for you. Because say Lolo not buy land for Nigeria. Lolo will never preach to tell you to go and buy a land in Africa because he not get, he no go and make you get. That thing I don't notice. I know say the truth is bitter. I know say you go come and come and say, okay, this Monica issue now, you don't rest, you go find another person where you want. Now analyze, me see the analyze. Waiting I see and notice about you. Alright? So I don't notice that thing for her. Is this a 10 years relationship? You no work, last. He can't see what do away, be say 20 years, go still destroy again. Because say she not get land to Africa now. She not go want make she talk or motivate anybody.
Oh, come on, wait.
€1,000 for account. If not on a person we get €5,000 for account. You go they see a topic na about saving. They save me I get money from my account. So you need to he go they, because he already achieve one. He go they use you tell you now. Why? He's not really telling you, he's using it to intimidate you. Now because he get red passport, now make they always talk about red passport every time. I tell him, Lolo, with all due respect, that day now your mouth to talk and will say, if anybody want to come and do saga with you, they need to get passport. You understand? Say this is your passport, this is your ID card, this is your this. I get the audio here. Me now constantly challenge you say, if you want to do saga with me, be ready that you have €30,000 cash on your account or even more. Because if you ask me to bring more out, I can, but I just want to bring them down. You be ready. If you know say you not get that cash to present to people, not still come. As if they use your driving license, say they gaga. Maybe you email gaga. If you say we should go up to 50, maybe before I carry the children, oh carry this one, carry that one, 3 or 4 accounts get together. I go feel raise down, but only one account. Say if you know say one account, not be say you borrow one, not be say anything. It's not borrow, it's nothing. If you know say you not get €30,000 inside. Say me you show public. Then if me want to reply you, me go still show public my own. Not just do saga with me. You use your passport to do so.
She go still show public her own. Alright? So her own must be proven first. Because she left this her own. How this her own take come and she can't forget this one. She can't fight Iyore they go. She dey pursue Iyore, they find Iyore lies and secret. She was after the lies of Iyore. She was pursuing Iyore with all concentration. She wanted to get to the root of Iyore lies on live video. So, it gives me something to believe that, no, this woman is sick somewhere. There's something wrong with her. I also need to run after her life and bring out the truth from her. This is how I went after her. To bring this video, to say, you said you have €30,000 cash in your account. I dare her. Immediately I gave her a dare. She ran and brought the money out and she showed it. To say, look at 29,000. And I don't already explain that to now. The money you save inside your house, you can't pay it in the bank. It's forbidden. If you are working, you don't do that. And all of you who are here, you know it's true. If you live in Germany, you live in anywhere you live. You are a worker. You will carry money when you save. You will go give government. So that it can reflect to say you pay 29,000. When you are having a credit in the bank that you are paying, you are still paying your car. You are paying credit. It's impossible because government must ask you where you get that money from. You see? So, what she did was that after she has really taken that money from with the help of her husband payslip that she married in the court for the purpose of acquiring a credit help from the bank. Then, after the bank gave her this money, she started to sit down on live video and start daring everybody to provide money. And start daring everyone to provide money. She started daring everyone to provide money. I said I will get to the root of this. I will not drop it because enough is enough. Nonsense. People cannot just be trying to make life ends meet, and you are dead trying to calling and pursuing other people about fake life. You started to chase Lolo and Monica about fake life, and you are the Oga Patapata of fake life. Look at you fake it. So tell us if you are not faking it. Prove it. I give you. You said you give me 24 hours to bring money. So I told you I don't have any money to bring because I never said I have money in the first place. If I told you I have money, then you can say I give you 24 hours. I've always said it the way I am. 11 years now to build my house because it wasn't easy. I finished it with the help of this, my husband. Alright? So there's no way you can dare a person like me to go and bring out cash. You'll be fooling yourself. So you said you have money, and you have a way of saving that money, and you was never admitting to government credit. So because you didn't agree to government credit, you need to come and tell us if it's true or not. So, let me end up with you there today. Hello?
Hello, my sister. Good evening, Buta.
Good evening.
Hey, Agbero, you see the live video. I don't want to contribute for this matter of carrying money. They show like, yeah, I say tomorrow, not the.
With the live video.
Country where would they call Bejo here?
Now, Bejo, you did.
Okay, now Bejo, I did.
Okay.
We know they carry low. Government give you low. They buy house. That low when the government gives you, you know, will see her for your eye. You know, see her for eye. They will give you the loan to buy the house, now then go pay for the house.
This one are renovation money. This one are money where they give them after you don't buy house to renovate house. Government they bring up
to renovate house, my sister. Wait till they come. So if you did the game, you know the game. If you're not there, you don't know.
Okay.
If you want renovate, say you buy a house, you want renovate, you will see tell them all together. So they will check your account, your income. If they'll give you money for renovation, join the loan when they give you. Now your income they won't check. If you are single, they check your income. If it's going to be enough for them to give you up to 200,000, okay, with the renovation and everything. When they give you that money, they'll pay by themselves for the house where you buy. Then the renovation money,
that's a lie.
They will give it to you.
It's a big lie, my lady. Let me tell you.
Wait,
hold on. My lady, wait. A government in Miami no I renovate. A government in Miami no I then yet to pay my ya. 1 year go no I pay.
Government one we go alone.
Yes, and then I go no I can't see where I can't see when I proof when I go ni.
Oh no, they not put that money for your account. My sister buy a house. Okay?
Has not bad matter. We are talking about renovation. What tell me one.
Yeah, there's no way they will give you when you want to do your renovation.
Yes.
For government money, for government.
So they want go they pay all now bank go pay all your workers, they don't give you the money.
Different. Government money and bank money is different.
They're not they paying for your account, they're not they paying for your hand, but now your account that they put on. Credit enter your account.
Make I tell you, make I give you the thing where you say day. I won't give you. Whether you know the better, what are you with?
Stay there, let me call another person.
We get now when
a better Germany and every other country is all the same. I can't see where you are going. They cannot be giving everybody no do renovate over one other way carpenter go gear. One other way on go gear. That is not how it is done. Never. Your money is put into your account. Area yawe. I go your account. Why are you lying? I hope she will pick the phone. So that is it, my people. Nicole and I better the door man pick. We are waiting for the reply of Kate. Let her come and prove them wrong. With mouth, it's impossible. Evidence. If you want to prove people wrong, you use evidence. Credit is put into your account. Credit is not given to the people that you bought whatever you bought from. Unless when you are buying a car, they give you the car. Finish. Credit, wire dollar was you, wire one now, wire what those things is paid direct into your account. You will see it in your account or show it green. Then you will start using it to do. It's you. Hey man, we go be banking in Nigeria. People where they collect money for bank, where they buy house for Nigeria. Mama, you are here. How are you?
Now, fine, good evening. That woman is a bloody liar.
She's a bloody liar. I know.
Even in UK, when you buy a house, yeah, they pay for the house, and the renovation money they give it to you.
Thank you.
Stupid woman, illiteracy.
Illiterate, they worry. And me know what they do. That's the process I went through.
Confused.com.
Very confused. Very confused. Very confused.
Are you talking to that?
He don't know they follow discuss.
Stupid woman.
This is any other video presenter they follow.
You can't educate yourself. Fucking rubbish, wrong information. I'm sure of that.
Putting wrong information in the public is bad. You don't know what you are saying. Renovation money is paid into your account direct. Go to school and not go now. Can't they confuse people for public?
No,
what are you saying?
they give you wrong information. The national television running a live program and you're giving wrong information. Mad people everywhere.
Thank you. So, a caller from Germany has said the money was given to Kate because she's very close to Kate. That money was given to Kate to renovate her house. So Kate now, the ball is in her court to prove us wrong. Abi? She has to prove us wrong. I will follow this case from the beginning to the end with all concentration. I want to see somebody say your number, please. Let me put my number here. Admin, please drop my number. You want to call me into competition? We're winning. Me and la laugh way at 12 or even at be a we. My name is Oh, that number is not correct. Let me write again. Admin, please write my number. Let me listen to one or two people before I go. Don't come to my territory with lies, the ones you cannot prove. That's nonsense. So that is it. Who be this?
Hello, it's also good.
Hey, how you doing, la?
Hello.
I dey hear you.
Good. I just want to contribute for the topic on ground. Before the last caller, the woman, she was very wrong. There's no way that you want to refurbish house and then the government will put the money they will be paying for the things that you want to buy in the house.
It's not possible.
The money is being paid into your account direct because you are the one that is going to refurbish your house. So it's you that know the people that you are going to use. So that was completely wrong information she was giving. She wasn't saying the truth at all. It was completely wrong. It's not done anywhere.
Thank you.
The money and then you use the money for what you want to use it for.
Wrong information. Wrong information.
Yeah, it was wrong information.
Yes, thank you.
Right.
So, my people, I would like us to end this discussion here until Kate come out to prove the money she gave to public, how she saved it. Before you demand for competition, tell people how you save it. People are willing to know how you save it. So this is how you are going to prove it. Your statement of account. People are accusing you to say that money was given you to remove. And I already saw 29,000. I saw it yesterday. 29,000. It was inside your bank. So you must prove that 29,000. Alright? A fake boom baby live video. There must be reduction. You want it to reduce. We don't even know if you are the person who is supposed to delete from it so that the rest people will know what they are doing, because a confusion will happen. Big confusion. Thank you, people. Have a nice evening.